Short form video is a very powerful marketing tool to be building brand awareness and generating leads for your business, as it can capture the attention of your ideal customers and can communicate a message quickly and effectively. So here's 5 tips for using short form video to generate leads. Tip number 1 is to keep it short and sweet. Short form videos should be kept at under 60 seconds in length and should get straight to the point. Focus on the most important message that you're wanting to communicate to your viewers and to your audience, and keep the video engaging throughout. Number 2 is to show your audience, don't tell them. Other than talking about your product, your course, or the service that you offer, show your audience the results that you've been getting, how it works, how you help other people get results in their business, and share with them the strategies that you're using inside of your business to get those results. Because your audience wants to know, how is it going to benefit them when they start working one-on-one with you? In your content, use visuals and graphics to capture their attention and to help you communicate and deliver a message to your audience. Tip number 3 is to include a call to action in your video. At the end of your video, be sure to include a call to action that encourages your viewers to take that next step. And the best call to actions to increase your engagement on your videos should be to save this video for later, to leave a comment, share this video with a friend. Because if you can get your audience to share your video with a friend or someone in their business or community, then that is the fastest way for you to grow organically. Tip number 4, short form videos are highly shareable and they can quickly go viral on any of the platforms, including YouTube Shorts, Facebook Reels, Instagram Reels, and TikTok. And be sure to post your short form video content on the platforms where your ideal customers are active. And make sure that you follow best practices for each platform. And tip number 5 is to test and optimize. Test different video styles, messages, and platforms to see what works best for you and your audience. Use the analytics on your profiles to tweak your strategy and to track which videos are getting the engagement. When you're ready to learn more about creating short form video content for your business to increase your brand awareness, to get more eyeballs on your business, to generate more leads, then I'd love to be able to share with you a free resource inside of my private Facebook community. That resource is going to show you the exact process that I use inside of my business to distribute my content across social media without wasting all day being on my phone or my laptop. To get access to that free resource, comment group down below in the comments and I'll share that with you.